Yeah.
Okay, hi, my name is Paola. My movie that I'm going to speak about is Straight Outta Compton, and this is one of the scenes that I'm going to show. First of all, the director, he shows, go back to this, sorry. So you can see. He shows like a traveling shot of the street so that you can show, like see where the bus, like what neighborhood the bus is going through. And then he shows a gang right here. He does a close-up of the character and then another extreme close-up of the notebook to show that, you know, he's writing and like trying to like see what's going on, like use his environment to like write his songs, his raps. He does a lot of traveling shots and close-up throughout this scene. He shows he does a close-up of the car, showing that the difference between the car and the bus, how they're younger and they're older and they're going through different times. Does a close-up of this of the one of the kids in the bus doing the gang signs, showing that, you know, during that time gangs were a very big and important thing, and it very shaped up like what was going on in the neighborhood in that time. Right here he does like I don't know what the thing is called, but he does like a shot where there's people in front of the screen of the camera, and but his focus is on the background, emphasizing that he's like the main important part of where like what he's trying to show, which is him and his reaction of what's going on in the scene. The use of diegetic sound is very important in the scene because you hear the type of music that's being played in the background that emphasizes the time of the movie that it was shot in.
Y'all niggas ready to die today? Don't be quiet now. All that shit y'all throwing up out the window?
He does a shot starting from the bottom up to show the sizes of that character, how he's older and he like shows authority in the community, sort of.
Huh? You think we saw that?
And how they all are very quiet because, you know, they're very afraid and timid of what he's gonna do.
Huh? Niggas die every day. I kill Crips for breakfast. You ever put your motherfucking hands up on those school bus, nigga? You understand me? Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
The use of close-ups in this scene is very important because when he does close-up, he wants to show like the facial expression of the character of like what's going on.
Cause I might even want to kill your motherfucking ass.
And the use of foul language shows that, you know, how he's older and has more experience. That is my scene. Any questions?
Should I keep it going?
Yeah, keep recording.
Oh, fudge. Okay. Part 2.
Does anybody have any questions?
Any questions?
For Paola?
It's on the tip of my tongue. I just don't have the words formulated yet.
Is it about the story?
I'll ask a question. How do you think the spectator responds to this scene?
The spectator meaning the person watching it.
Yeah.
They get a glimpse of how it was like with the gangs back in that time, because it shows that gangs are very important, like a big role in the movie, because how they're outside on the bus, and then how they're next to the car, and he waltzes into the bus like with such authority, and like he doesn't care about what old like person is there, like they would just walk in and they feel like they run the people, I guess you could say.
Did you have any questions? How do you think that the lighting plays a part in the scene?
I think it played not a big role, but it played a role because how there wasn't very much lighting. It was just they used natural light. Like they didn't have like a spotlight or anything. It was just what the light was showing. It was fine because they didn't want to like give a sense of one character is bigger than the other. So they were just like all natural. So I think that it showed that there wasn't no special effects going on. It was raw and natural.
Would you agree in saying that natural lighting was something just throughout the movie and that the lighting pretty much really didn't play a huge
No,
role
yeah,
in
I
it?
agree because throughout the film, like you barely see like use of any like special lighting because, like say for example, the scene where the concert, that's all natural light or like actual like stage lights, but it wasn't like added on lights. If that makes any sense, but it was good. Anybody else? Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Paola.